Recording. Alright, just tell me what we're doing out here.
What?
Tell me what we're doing out here.
Why would Diesel get energy out of it?
What you doing, boy?
Come here. Mommy. Come here.
Get your bone. Huh?
I should have grabbed the towel.
Oh. He wants me to play too.
Come here, Diesel. She can't play with you. Come here. Come here. Ready? Get it. You gotta hand it to me. Get it.
I think I'm gonna call this video When Guide Dogs Play.
Yeah. Come here. A bit. Boy. Get it. Bring here. Bring here. Good boy.
So, not only does it get energy out of Diesel, but it also works on fine commands like come,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Is he gonna do what I think he's gonna do?
It's toy. Get darkness now.
I thought he was gonna go
No.
BB. Uh-oh, call him!
Come!
Diesel!
No!
Diesel, come!
Come here. Stay on this side.
I think he saw a squirrel.
I won't put it by him.
Huh?
I won't put it by him. There's your toy.
Go get it!
It's a toy.
Get it! Get it!
That a boy. Come here. Now bring the toy, Ruby. Get it. Diesel. It's a toy. Here. Good boy. You ready? Come here. Shoot. Boy.
So lots of praise is important, even when it's playtime.
Otherwise, you won't do it. They don't work for nothing. We'll play.
Uh-oh.
There.
Diesel, come!
No!
Sit! Oh. Get your toy.
I just want him running in the opposite direction.
Well, yeah. That car didn't even come down our way anyway. Yeah, but we still didn't know. Here, boy, get it.
Let's try.
Get it.
Please want to slow down then.
He wants to chew now.
See if you can get some still shots of him.
Here, hold my camera. Ooh.
Yeah.